Now we're going to take a look at the last regular conditional, which is the zero conditional. As you can see in the table, on the far left, zero conditional is used for things that are always true. But it's not a plan for the future. We're not thinking about doing this thing, we're just saying this always happens. And the form is if plus present simple, comma, then subject plus present simple. Here's an example. If you drink cyanide, you die. We're not planning to drink cyanide. That would be stupid. We're just saying that this always happens if you drink cyanide. It's a universal truth. Here's another example. If I drink coffee at night, I find it difficult to sleep. This is always true when I drink coffee at night. But it's not my plan. Nobody has told me to drink coffee. I'm just saying this always happens. Compare these sentences. If I drink coffee at night, I find it difficult to sleep. If you drink that coffee, you will find it difficult to sleep. In the first sentence, I have no plan to drink coffee. In the second one, maybe somebody has a cup of coffee in front of them and someone else is telling them that this is a real possible future situation. Therefore, they use first conditional. Look at these two. If students talk in class, Barry gets angry. Shh! If you talk in class, Barry will get angry. The first sentence says that in general, if students talk in class, Barry gets angry. But in the second sentence, maybe in a class a student is talking while I'm talking. Ooh. His friend can say, shh! If you talk in class, Barry will get angry. This is a real and possible future situation. So this person uses first conditional. Here is some practice for all conditionals. Conditionals 1, 2, 3 and 0. Correct the mistakes. Each sentence has only one mistake. If we went home now, we could watch the match. Or, if it's real and possible, if we go home now, we can watch the match. Would he have left if he had found it interesting? Should you need help, I will be in the next room. This is the formal way of using first conditional. They would have succeeded if they hadn't been so impatient. If you thought maybe it's first conditional, that would have been wrong because they are saying these people are impatient, that's their character. So this is a hypothetical. Therefore, first conditional wouldn't be possible. It's third conditional because it's a hypothetical past. Normally, if I lie in the sun, I burn. If I left home now, would I get there on time? Will I be able to improve if I take lessons from you? Remember, there is no will in the if clause. If she had spent more time on the project, it would be good now. This is a mixed conditional. The hypothetical past is if she had spent more time, and there's a hypothetical present. It would be good now. There isn't a separate practice sheet for the zero conditional because it's so easy. However, there are questions on it in the extra practice PDF file, along with all the other conditionals. Answer the questions in that, and then check your answers. Good luck.